What's up, guys? It's your boy Chris, and today is my last day here in Cusco, so I'm about to get ready to go out and explore with some of my new friends. Introduce yourself, guys.
Hey, I'm Nuno from Canada.
I'm Nick from New York.
And together we're about to go explore Cusco, see what Cusco has to offer. So excuse me if my voice sounds a little bit rough. I woke up with a sore throat this morning, but right now we're hitting the laundromat. ¿Cómo se llama eso?
Esta es la hoja de coca. Esta es una planta sagrada de los Andes que la gente, bueno, gente de aquí, de afuera, lo consume para adaptar su cuerpo a este nivel, a esta altura.
Oh, ok. Sí, yo no había probado.
Es buenísimo, tiene 14 alcaloides y 10 veces más calcio que la leche. Entonces para los dientes, para los huesos, para el cuerpo en general, es para todo, mano. Para todo, es una planta sagrada.
Okay. So we're about to give this a go.
So many steps.
So many steps. How sick is this little street, man? Check it out. So I'm just about to try some quail eggs here. Muchas gracias.
Go first. All right.
How is it? Salty?
Salty?
Oh, salty.
A little salty, little salty. All right.
And actually,
Not bad.
it's good.
It's good, it's good.
It's actually really good.
No, it's not bad.
Not bad. Actually, not bad. Tastes like a regular hard-boiled egg.
Exactly, yeah.
A little salty, but not bad. Gracias. All right, so we're about to get ready to walk into the San Pedro Mercado once again. Go and explore a little bit. Maybe get a smoothie, because I'm actually really wanting a smoothie.
Smoothie, some water. Yeah.
Yeah.
Juice here is really good. Yeah.
Is it good?
We got some
Yeah, so that might be
Look at this.
the plan. I love all the wide selection of produce that they have. Check this out.
Grandes.
Which one?
Oh, that one. This one? Yeah. It's super sweet. It tastes like a milkshake, actually, like a fruit milkshake.
Really?
Yeah, it's very sweet.
Yeah, it's so good.
We might have to give that a go. They say that this fruit tastes like a milkshake.
Just like a milkshake.
¿Esa 3 soles? Ay,
Ya.
Gracias.
Bolsa. ¿Bolsa le doy?
sí, por favor.
Ya.
One of the things I really love about Peru, especially this Cusco region, is all the beautiful colors they use. I literally would want to buy everything, but it just does not fit in my bag. Hola, buenos días.
¿Cómo estás?
So we're about to get some juice. What kind of juice do you think you're gonna get?
I think, where's the maracuya? You got
Maracuya?
Yeah, maracuya.
Okay, passion fruit. Passion fruit?
Yeah,
Yeah.
passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Or lucuma. The lucuma is really good too.
Gracias.
Very good.
Back to.
All right. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Salud.
How is it?
Bueno. Bueno.
Very
Bueno.
good.
Very good.
Puerto Rico.
Yeah, very, very good. I like it. Yo, this smoothie just got a whole lot better.
A lot better.
She just gave us a second cup, dude.
Yeah. Double.
And I'm getting her Facebook. What? So that's pretty cool. We just invited her out tonight, and she said that she's gonna bring 2 of her friends, 1 for each of my buddies, and we're gonna have a good time tonight. This day's going pretty smooth, man. We just got some smoothies. I've been trying some food. Just got a date for tonight, you know? It's gonna be good.
It's a good day.
It's gonna be good today. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Look how cute she is. Ah, hola. Touch the fuzzy. Hey, she wanted to touch the fuzzy mic. She's so cute. Look at her. See? She loves my tattoos. Here, dame tu mano. Bye. All right, so she was just the cutest thing ever, wasn't she?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely agree.
All the kids here are pretty cute though. Like, check them out. All right, so right now the homies lining up some stuff for tomorrow night. We're about to have dates all week, baby. So that worked out all right. So, hunting for some anticucho?
Yeah, I think that's what they call it here. Anticucho?
Yeah, anticucho. Okay.
Yeah, let's go hunting for some of that.
All right, so we're gonna go try some anticucho, which is cow heart, I believe. And people say it tastes pretty good, so we're gonna give it a shot. So we just asked a local where can we find some anticucho, and he recommended a restaurant called El Cortarito, something like that. But anyways, we're on the hunt for that now. ¿No vendes anticucho? Damn, look at that chicharron, yo. Yo, check this out. Isn't that crazy?
Cook up some chicken feet.
Maybe chicken feet's on the list for tonight. Who knows?
Paramos a la carbón.
Sí.
Tengo horarios en la mañana un personal, en la tarde.
Ah, okay.
So it looks like we're not gonna get anticucho until later on in the day. I guess it's a dish that they make, or a type of food that they make in the afternoons here. So, well, we're probably just gonna get a menu.
Menú del día.
Menú del día. Entonces vamos a ir a comer ahorita y anticucho más tarde. Did we just find the place we're eating, guys? ¿Tienes espacio para nosotros? So we just found a nice little restaurant, and I'm pretty sure there's nothing but locals that come here, so you know it has to be good.
This place is legit. It's legit.
All right, so we just got the first part of our meal, and we're having caldo de more.
All right.
So we all just ordered the same thing, but I'll let him give you a shout.
So this is lomo saltado. It's traditional Peruvian food here. I like spicy, so I put picante on it. I think it's gonna be pretty good.
Yo, this lomo saltado is absolutely amazing, and you won't believe how much it costs. I'll let my friends tell you.
Less than $2.
Yeah, less than $2. Insane, right? So one of the locals that's sitting here at a table next to us just let us know that this is the instrument she's playing on is called a bandula. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Muy bueno.
All right, so now that we're stuffed, we're about to do a little bit more walking around. This is what it looks like behind the scenes of a perfect Instagram photo. Basically, we're about to go look for a cab to go up to this hill to see some ruins, and I'm gonna let my boy tell you how we're gonna tell our taxi driver to take us there.
Llevarme allá. Hasta Cristo.
Hasta,
Llevarme hasta Cristo.
hasta Cristo vamos. So the ruins we're heading to are called Sexy Woman. Sexy Woman. These might be my favorite ruins yet, actually.
Me encanta. Me encanta.
Me encanta. Right now we're walking over to the Sexy Woman ruins. Never seen them before, I haven't even seen a picture before, but everybody says they're pretty amazing. What was that?
Miniature version of Machu Picchu.
I guess we'll find out.
We have the opportunity to make more money than them. They'll never. So I'll pay a little bit more.
So we're not entering Sexy Woman because they want to charge us an arm and a leg to see these rocks. So instead, I just found another baby alpaca that I'm about to take a picture with.
Here's Chris getting a photo.
So right as that lady walked away, we just got offered a tour on horseback for 35 sole, and we're taking it.
Yeah. 4 different sites we're going
¿Cómo te llamas?
Rodolfo.
Okay, we're going with Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Beautiful. Chingos monos.
Chingos monos.
Here is the ranch.
Man, it's really turning out to be a good ass day today.
Yeah. It's very unexpected, like everything that we're...
Here
Right?
is the factories that you buy to sweat.
Man, look at this view. All right, so we just arrived here to the ranch where we're going to be getting onto our horses. So these are going to be our rides for today.
And you practice your Spanish more with him.
Bueno.
So today I'm a cowboy. So they didn't teach us shit about riding horses, and this thing's moving. I don't even know where the brakes are on this thing.
The brake?
I think we're our own tour guides. They've done this before. Yeah, after a couple minutes, it's actually quite pleasant.
This is very nice. It's relaxing.
I think he has a flu or something. So guys, I figured out how to get over the altitude. Just don't walk it yourself.
He's shitting at my horse's head.
Is that why he slowed down? I was wondering why he slowed down. I thought he was making music.
It's because he's shitting at my horse's head. Is it Hardin?
Good news, guys, we did not die.
I'm still here.
Although a lot of that was questionable. So right now we're walking up to the Temple de la Luna. We made it to the top. Check out this view. You know, even though we were promised that we were gonna see monkeys up here, and that was a fucking lie, still totally worth it. Turns out there's also some pretty sweet ruins out here. Check them out. We're walking down to the ruins right now. Whoa, check this out. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Yo. So I just mounted myself back on the horse. We're about to go for a nice little walk back towards the city. So we just arrived back in the city. Now we're back on the hunt to find some anticucho.
Anticucho.
Anticucho. Yeah, we're ready, son.
So I just ate chicken heart. It's actually pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
I just ordered one chicken heart and one piece of cow heart too, so I'll let you guys know.
It tastes like chicken.
Gracias.
Oh, let's get a food review.
Man, that's not bad. That's not bad heart. That's pretty good.
Pretty damn good, huh?
And you get a potato.
And a papa.
One sole. I think that's less than 25 cents. Not bad for some street food.
Hey.
I'm gonna let my friend say bye.
Follow me on Instagram. It's Nick Borelli1.
All right, I'm Nuno. And peace out. I don't know.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego, amigos.